Okay, my name is CS_IT on the Sonic Fans_YT. In today's video, we're gonna play Sonic vs. Speed Battle with DJ Vector's event. So, Darkspawn and Sonic's event is in, and we're gonna do the DJ event. So, you see some changes in my account. I changed my name, and I'll be right back. Give me a few seconds. Or you know what? Let's just continue playing Sonic Forces. Okay. So I changed my name, and before I did this, I changed my age, and they gave me. I was having an old account, and I accidentally uninstall Sonic Forces, and I restart all over again. So gave me an option to, if I want to go to the old account, I should delete this account. But I told myself, why do I delete my account? And this is a long story, and I just changed my name, and that's it. And I got a special character, Tropical Storm. So they will give you I don't know, if you turn your age to 20 years or plus 20 years, they're gonna give you the they're gonna give you this free skin. So it has the wipeout, the wind boost, and the storm cloud. So this is the exact same as the other characters. So we're gonna play as the new character, Tropical Storm. So we're gonna test it out. Equip 3 items in one battle. Okay, so and before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, notifications on, and let's get this party started. Ooh, Tikal level 6, Sonic the Hedgehog is level 16, and Popstar Amy on level 3. Good. So we have the skin, so we should be able to play it. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Man. Come. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Connection. Always. Okay. We defeat them at once. Okay. No. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Okay. No. Come on. Yes! Yes, we got. The first try, the second one. Okay. Not bad. Okay. DJ Vector's mission is complete. Wait, what? Save your progress. Oh. I should be able to connect with my wait, unable to register this account. Another game account that's already registered this gameplay. Oh, I need to change it. But it's okay. We're gonna progressing to complete the missions. Okay, turn up. Okay. Let's play with I don't know. I want to play with Vector because it's his event, but we're just gonna continue. Let's play again with Tropical Storm. Sorry about the loud from the other room. It's my parents, but we're gonna continue. Come on, load up, please. Okay. Queen J. The Lancelot level 3, Memphis the Dark level 6, Super Shadow level 10. Okay. I hope we're gonna win because I'm gonna lose if I. Oh. What? You gotta be kidding me. Okay, okay. 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 A little bit too close. Sorry about that, you guys. And okay. No, no, no. Yes, 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 yes. The second try, we got it. The second try, we got. This is so good. Okay. I think that's the end of the video. I don't know if I should continue the video, but let's claim our mission. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, let's go here. 60. Okay, we're gonna wait 31 31 days or 30 days and 20 hours. This is so good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.